All right, next we're going to take a look at the dock. So we need to get back to system preferences. So you can either click this little icon here to get all the options, or you could reopen it if you did close it from the last video. Here we're going to make some adjustments to the dock. The dock is down here where you have all of your applications. So go ahead and go into there. Yes, you're going to probably see some slight variations in these different preferences because I'm working on a MacBook Pro. You're working on an iMac, so bear with me, please. If you have slight variations, I think you can probably still figure these things out. First of all, size. Realize as far as that as far as how large your icons are, you can do that to preference. Now you can see I can't make mine larger because I have so many things down there, but you can make it to whatever size you want. Okay, there's no problem there. Magnification, that can be helpful or annoying. If I have magnification on, it's when you scroll through, you can see it makes the applications larger. I've personally found that to be annoying. I used to use that. If you would like that, feel free. Position, I would like it to be on the bottom. Okay, please don't put it on the left or right because that is space we're going to use for toolbars and panels in Illustrator and Photoshop quite often, and you don't want that overlapping and really annoying you or even hiding tools that you need access to. So let's keep it on the bottom. Genie effect doesn't matter. The preference tabs for opening document, that I have it set to full screen. It shouldn't really affect you in any way. Some of these things are what you do want to be aware of. Number one, I am going to check automatically hide the dock. That slides it down out of the way. We like to have as much room to work. We want to be able to work full screen. The dock is very distracting. It's still easy to access. Just go to the bottom, drag your mouse all the way down. There's everything, but it's at least out of the way so that you don't have to worry about that. Minimizing windows into application icon can be kind of annoying. Instead, minimizing windows, it'll just drop it right down here into your dock on the right side. So let's not check that one either so that you don't have to worry about that. That should be about it for those preferences. Just a short note though, you have a lot of icons on your dock. Realize that you're not going to use many of these. For me, example, I don't ever use maps. Why do I even have it on there? It just takes up space. I'm going to get rid of it. I'm going to go down there, drag it up, poof, it's gone. Okay, just like that, it's gone. So feel free to remove. You can also add applications to the dock. I think I've got everything down there that you need, but all you have to do is whenever you open an application that you want to stay on the dock, then simply hold down your mouse and you'll get to all of these options here, and here is options, and I can tell it to keep it in the dock. If you check that, then even when you quit the application, it'll always be there when you come back. So that can be helpful. On the right side, you've got the trash. You have, I believe, a download link, and in some instances, we're going to set up a link so that you have access to my server, because sometimes I'm going to need you to turn stuff in using that link right there. That may change, though, in the future. That's your dock.